Hi, welcome to the BIA conference here in Nashville. My name is Nathan Crook, Sales Director with GBN Smith, and I'm joined here today with Larry Morrow of the Vanderbilt University Medical Center. And Larry's going to give us a little background and a little bit of information around how he's been leveraging the 360 suite in his business objects environment. Larry, want to introduce yourself to the folks?
Yes, I'm Larry Morrow. I'm with the Vanderbilt University Medical Center. I'm a server administrator there for all of the business intelligence applications. I am a retired military person. I've been there about 3 years now. And so at Vanderbilt University Medical Center, the business objects platform is our major platform for looking at our data warehouses. So we look at all of the data that we have through the business objects platform. We have three environments, or three major environments. We have what we call our legacy environment that has our university and our medical center applications. We have our new enterprise environment that will only have the medical center components. And then we are installing a new ERP, Epic, and we have an environment strictly for that Epic environment. We have about 12,000 users. We run about 30,000 reports each month.
Wow, that's huge. That's awesome. So, how did you find out about the 360 suite? What kind of process had you walked through to evaluate and figure out if you wanted to invest in GBN Smith in the 360 suite?
Well, when I came on at the medical center, I replaced a young lady that was managing all of the business objects environments. And she was doing everything manually, and as she went through her training with us, I said, have you ever looked at any tools to use to help you do this? Because it seemed to be a very manual process. And she said, we looked at 2 or 3, but they decided that they were not going to purchase them, and she gave me the name of it. One of them was the 360 software from GBN Smith. And so I called and said, I know we've already done an evaluation. I'm new. Would it be possible to have a new evaluation or to start again? And so I talked with Bruno, and he said, yes, it's not a problem. And so I began by getting it installed in a development environment where all of our developers do all of their work. And then once I kind of understood how it works, we came up with an architecture of how it would work inside of Vanderbilt. And so we took it off of the servers, the business object servers, and put it on what we call management servers, where I can actually make it look at development and look at tests and look at production. And that works for us. So that's how we got started.
Nice. And so now, fast forward to this point, and you guys have made an investment in the 360 suite and rolled it out into production and are leveraging it across business processes, et cetera, with business objects. What kind of value are you finding that it's bringing to the table, and how are your people using it?
Okay. Well, the first value was that we didn't have to use consultants to do anything from the standpoint of upgrades and things like that. That was an easy, if you will, sell that I had with management, because the last time that they had done an upgrade before I got here, it had cost a sizable amount of money for them to upgrade from 3.1 to 4.0. And then they've done a few upgrades since to 4.0 to 4.1. And each time they had to go back out and get another consultant to come in and help them go through that. Right. And so the way I presented it to them is I thought with the tool, after I had some time with it, that we would be able to do all of the upgrades ourselves in-house. And so I just gave them the cost. We can pay this for software costs one time, and then I will do the job, or we can continue to look back at the records and see how much we paid the last time and continue to pay that. So that was the easy part.
Right.
Was getting, that was an easy sale once I showed them that.
Sure.
And for us, since we not only manage business objects, we manage Tableau, we manage Chronos, we manage Hyperion, and we manage a lot of others, our time is very valuable. And so we've been able to reduce the amount of time that was kind of documented before, about 75%. The amount of time that the person that had it before me was doing it to the time that now we do it, we are doing the same thing and actually better working about 25% of the time.
That's huge.
So those were the two big numbers that we were able to show our management.
That's beautiful. So where do you see this going now?
Well, as I say, the tool can do a lot of other things. We're going outside of our normal day-to-day work, which is just the infrastructure, and we're actually now seeing the business analysts, the BI developers, they're now getting an understanding of what the tool can do. So now they're going to want to start using it to help them do their job.
That's beautiful. So it's scaling across not only IT users, but business users and executives for reporting and things of that nature. That's awesome. Well, Larry, thanks so much for your time. I really appreciate you joining us here, and we look forward to continuing to do it.
No problem. Thank you.
Anybody want to talk with Larry or understand more around how Vanderbilt is using it, come see us at the booth, or even just reach out, and Larry's happy to chat.
Yes.
Appreciate it, and thanks so much. See you soon at the conference.